Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a quick update talking about the cumulative update that we've got this week on Thursday. The cumulative update had a lot of bug fixes, so once again, it's an optional update. So you go to Update and Security in your settings, and you should have a optional update that is there. If you click on it, you download and install, it will install. You don't click on it, you just look, it's not going to install. It is an optional update. I know some of you said that it was pushed to you. There could be a specific reason for that. There could be a specific bug that meant it was to be, but for most people it's optional. Mine was optional. I had to click to install it. So the update was available for version 2004, for 20H2, and for 21H1. And if we look at the updates here, like other updates, here it was installed on the 29th, cumulative update preview for Windows 10, 21H1. The main fix, the one that I think a lot of gamers will enjoy is, and it seems to work well, is the fix for the lower frame rate for some, or stuttering kind of issues for others on gaming, and it seems that this is fixed. So this is a gaming machine that I have here, and I had not noticed, because I don't look at my frame rate. So what happens is when I play games, as long as they're smooth and work well, I don't really look for the frame rate, and how well the game is actually going, as long as it works. But I did not notice any stuttering or any problems when that update in March happened. And now one of the games that I was playing, which is a game that actually is really maxing out my graphics adapter, was quite smooth on my big 55-inch TV. But I noticed that it seems I played yesterday, and it seems that it's actually smoother. So maybe there was some slowdown in my frame rate that I just didn't notice because of the games I play. But anyways, whatever. If you are a gamer, I think you're going to be happy. It seems to really fix this. And of course, it fixes a lot of other things. So once again, if you had issues with it, with your Windows 10 computer, if you had little things that didn't work well, this probably will fix it, as it fixes really a big chunk of problems. Once again, no problems. You're not a gamer. You have no issues. You don't need to install it. It will anyways be installed in 2 weeks when the Patch Tuesday arrives for August, as cumulative updates always install what was not installed before. But you don't have to install it if not a need, and if you have no problem, of course. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.